Hi everybody, I'm Paula, and I'm going to do something different today. I am going to look at a surprise box that I got on eBay. Yeah, it has all kinds of art supplies in it. And guys, before I look at this, don't forget to sign up on my Amino. It is Paula Blox Art. I'll put a link in the description. I have been holding on to this thing for a couple months and I can't stand it anymore. I've got to show you guys. So let's see what's in this and see if there's anything I can use. Okay, now this is nice, and the girl says, well, I'm guessing it's a girl. Okay, it might not be. But thank you for buying since the shipping was less than intended. I can't even read it. I threw in more goodies. Enjoy. Okay, definitely. I will enjoy. But I wanted to show you these this way first, and then I'll look at things maybe a little more close up. We'll see. Oh, what is this? Something sculpt. Hey, what? I don't know. What is that? It looks like it's sculpting clay. Is that what that is? I think it might be because it says Sculpy. Something base. Okay, you tell me. Is that sculpting clay? I'm not even sure. See, I don't even know my art supplies. This is scary. Oh, I have this. This is gonna come in handy. Okay, wait, no, I gotta make a joke out of this. What am I doing? Okay, it looks like a spatula. So I'm guessing I'm not gonna cook with it, okay? So it's gonna have something to do with art. What do you use a spatula for? Okay, guys, teach me something about art. Seriously, what do you use a spatula for? Is this for paint? I think, see, I'm going to fail at whatever I do with this stuff because I don't know. Is it for the sculpting clay? I don't know, but it's neat, isn't it? It's shiny. This looks cool. Expert acrylic, extra fine quality. Yeah, I look like a commercial, or I sound like a commercial. I'm not sure, whatever I meant to say. Okay, it's probably the opposite, but expert acrylic. So this is paint. I know this is paint. And is the color yellow? I'm guessing the color is what this shows. Artist watercolor. Okay, I know what watercolor is. It's watercolor paints. But there's tape. What is the tape for? Okay, see, you're gonna teach me the art stuff. I don't know. But there are 3 different watercolor paints. Dark green, blue, and red. Let me see, are they all watercolor? I'm pretty sure, yes, they are watercolor. I don't know what the tape is. What is the tape for? Okay, what do you use tape for in watercolor? I don't know. These are neat. Look at this. I don't know how good you can see them, but it says they're water brushes. It looks like you put water in the top of them, and then they have a brush on the bottom. Let's open one. Maybe they're not all brushes, but they have a place for water. Oh, this is a brush, yes. But isn't this neat? Seriously, you open up the top. I'm gonna end up flopping something at the camera and it's gonna be like embarrassing. Oh, this is so neat. So you fill this up with water and then I take it, you smear stuff around, right? So that's cool, isn't it? That's really neat. So I will try to use this stuff. I have no idea how, but I will. So I have 3 of those. 3 water brushes, so that's cool. I know I need these. These are micron pens, graphic pens, and I have 2. So that'll help me outline my pictures because I know I have used these that Bethany has up in her room. One of them is very, very thin and the tip is really teeny, and the other one has a more medium tip. Can you see that? You're probably not. Watercolor paper to do little pictures. Oh my gosh, isn't this neat? See, so I can use my little watercolor pens and I have some acrylic paints, so maybe I could try to do something. That would be really fun. Okay, this was, I think it cost like $10, so it's definitely worth $10, I'm sure. And this is extraordinary surfaces for your art. Oh, this is neat. This is clay board. That's on the back of it, but it's white clay board. I guess you could paint on that, maybe, but that's pretty cool. Okay, so this is pretty good. Let's look at everything I got again. I've got the clay board, which is neat. The watercolor paper, I really like these. I want to try to draw something little and try to use watercolors. I've never done that, seriously. Maybe when I was a kid, but definitely not lately. And these are so exciting. The water pen or brushes, the water brushes. I know I need these. Yes, this will help me with my line art when I draw, and that is definitely needed. And I could use watercolors, and I'm not sure what the tape's for, like I said, but tell me in the comments, seriously, tell me any of this stuff. If you have ideas, what it's for, what you do with it, like especially, okay, I know this is acrylic paint. I know you paint with that, right? You paint with paint, of course. This Sculpting clay, I'm not sure how you use this. Is it just for sculpting? Is it for something else? I don't know. I'm guessing it's for sculpting things. And this is my favorite. And look how shiny it is on the back. Look at that. It's like Jeff the Killer. Jeff the Killer probably has one of these. What? What am I talking about? Anyway, guys, so that is the surprise box. And from eBay, it was $10, so it's definitely worth $10. Oh, and I got this bag. Don't forget the bag. And no, I'm not going to put it on my head, okay? No, I'm just kidding. So anyway, guys, you have fun, and you got to tell me, do you have any of this stuff? Do you think it was a neat surprise box? I think it was. For a mystery box, I think it was pretty good. Definitely worth $10, I think. So anyway, guys, you have fun, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.